welcome back to One Life, guys. I'm doing a very quick and simple video today. So it's a quick intro just to say hi and that we're working on the Vauxhall Astra. This is a Mark V 2006 model. We've done videos on this car before. You've probably seen an oil change video that was based on this, and I think we did a brake video on this and how to stop squeaky brakes. That's also this car. But today is a dead quick and simple one. Literally, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear windscreen wiper. As you can see, this one's seen better days. You can pretty much pull the rubber straight off it. Got my new one up here, straight out of the box, no other bits of it, it's just the wiper itself. Got a Bosch wiper. Not a half decent make, so it does the job. Anyway, so you pull your wiper up like so. You can see here it twists about. So you're going to twist it sort of 90 degrees from where it sits, and then pull the wiper down. I'm going to try and do this with one hand, like that, and then it'll simply slide out of that groove like that. So that bit there pops in that groove. Get your new wiper, so make sure it's the right way around. I'm going to line up this groove there, and then my thumbnail, a little bit of plastic like that, go like that, so it's 90 degrees again, and pull it up. You hear it clipping, and that's it. You can pop your wiper back down, and that's your new windscreen wiper installed, ready to use. It's as simple as that, guys. Dead easy, quick video. If you like these tutorials, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Send us a request if you want something doing on your own car. Other than that, that's it from me today. Until next time, peace.